The scariest part of building a digital product isn't the building. It's the part right after. You spend a month on it, you finish it, share it on social media, on your blog, send it to your email list, you promote and promote and promote, and then for many of you, nothing. No sales, no replies, just silence. And you're sitting there thinking, did I just waste a month of my life on the wrong thing? That fear is why most of you never start, and it's completely rational. What people don't realize is that ChatGPT will happily build you the wrong product beautifully, with confidence. The problem is it doesn't know if your price is right, and it doesn't know if your format will sell. It doesn't know which purchasing trigger to hit. It just writes whatever you ask it to write. To be honest, you're flying blind. So, to solve this problem, we built two things into MiloTree to help, and you can access them for free. One is our product finder. You just answer 3 questions and boom, you get 3 product ideas in under a minute with suggested pricing and a time estimate for how long it would take to create your product. And our second tool, our roadmap creator, which is a section by section build plan for your product with AI prompts to help you write it fast and make it your own prompts to pull out your stories and your advice to personalize it so you don't end up with generic AI slop that people won't pay for. Built in there is pricing logic, format logic, purchasing trigger logic. So I'm Jillian Leslie, founder of MiloTree. It's the platform that lets you sell digital products and grow your audience without needing a website or complicated tech. A year ago, I started giving away free AI prompts on this channel. These were prompts to help creators figure out their first product, their first sales funnel, their first freebie, and the opt-in numbers were shocking, way past anything we'd seen for normal lead magnets. People didn't want another checklist and they didn't want another community. They wanted the prompt that would actually tell them what to do next. So we built it into MiloTree with more sophisticated logic. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use both tools for free right now, no credit card. Just go to MiloTree.com. So let me show you what this actually looks like. For this example, I'm going to use a postpartum fitness coach. Meet Lisa. She's got a tiny email list, no product built yet, no idea really what to sell. But using our tools in under 5 minutes, she's got a $49 product idea engineered to convert and a path to $5,000 a month. Here I am. I'm in my MiloTree account. I see 3 choices. 1, I know what I want to sell. And if I click this, I just end up in my dashboard and I can set up my product. 2, help me find what to sell. And 3, build it with me. That's where we get on a Zoom call for an hour and we build your funnel together. Now, if I'm Lisa, our postpartum fitness coach, and I have no product yet, just some good experience, and I feel like I could build something on my own with guidance, I click the middle one, help me find what to sell. This is the MiloTree Product Finder. I'm going to fill in these 3 quick questions. What I'm good at, postpartum strength training, who I help, new moms returning to weight training, and what format. I'm going to choose digital download. That's what I want to sell. I submit, and in 60 seconds, I get 3 product options, but they're not just ideas. Look at what's in each one, because this is the part that matters. Let's say Lisa chooses this product, the $47 one. It takes 3 hours to build. And why $47 and not $9? Because for this niche, $47 is the price band where the product reads as engineered, thought out, not thrown together, but it's still impulse friendly for a digital download. So she clicks, I want to sell this. And now her product details are already set up in MiloTree. She's got her product name, the price, and a short description. And remember, in our free plan, you can sell a product and offer a freebie for free forever. So she clicks save. She lands in her product details page for this specific product. And this is where she'll be managing her digital files, editing her AI-generated sales page, setting up her simple funnels with upsells, order bumps, coupons, tripwires. But before she deals with any of that, she clicks this button that says View Product Roadmap. And within a minute, she has an entire product roadmap to build her product. So every section is mapped around getting the biggest transformation for her customers in the shortest amount of time. And this way, the structure itself is doing a lot of the selling. Now, for Lisa to build her product, she just needs an AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude and a Google or Word doc or even Notion. She pastes the first prompt into her AI tool, and then the second prompt is the difference between a product that sells and one that doesn't, because we call it the make it yours prompt. It pulls one specific scene out of her experience, a moment with a real client, a turning point, a story only she can tell, and that's what makes the product feel like it was written by an expert and not a chatbot. 3 hours of total work, finished product. It can just be a document saved as a PDF, or Lisa can make it extra stylish if she just pastes it into a template on Canva. Now she clicks this button in her MiloTree dashboard. Remember, if your digital download is a PDF, MiloTree will automatically deliver it to your customer. And next, she clicks her View Sales Page link. So MiloTree generates her sales page using AI. She just adds her edits and tweaks to make it feel personal. Next, she connects her Stripe account to collect payments, and her product is live. She shares the link to her sales page wherever her potential customers hang out. So this could be on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, in Facebook groups, on her blog. She can email it to her small list. 10 sales a month, $470. But if she adds, let's say, a $19 order bump and a live coaching upsell for $150, that's how she gets to $5,000 a month. Here's how to think about MiloTree. You're not alone anymore in your digital product journey. You've got the finder, the roadmap, doing the thinking for you, plus your AI-generated sales page. We did the work that you can't do alone because you're inside your own niche, you're inside your own business, and you can't see from the outside. And by the way, I showed you the digital download flow because it's the fastest example, the most common, but this works exactly the same for a coaching offer, a membership, mini courses, workshops, and freebies to grow your email list. Same sales pages or opt-in pages, whatever you offer, the system has done the thinking for you. That's the whole point, not to replace your expertise, to make sure your expertise actually reaches the people who would pay for it. So here's the part I want you to actually do, not just watch. Go to MiloTree.com right now. The link's in the description. You can start by signing up for a free account. This is for testing one product. So no credit card, no trial expiring in 14 days. It's free forever, promise. Or if you really want to bet on yourself, sign up for a paid account, $25 a month. This is for serious folks who want to build real businesses. You get unlimited finder queries, unlimited roadmaps, unlimited products, freebies, every sales funnel feature, the whole engine. So either way, the trade is the same. 1 weekend to find out if you can do this. So run the finder this weekend, then come back and tell me your top picks, and I'll tell you which one I'd build first. And if you haven't run it yet, tell me what's stopping you, and I'll message you back and give you some encouragement. I promise this is a game changer and a confidence builder because you're no longer alone. And I'll see you in my next video.